this video for you to wanted you to see something. This one is the gray one, you remember it. It's one of the two cats I bring with me in the flat. See, it became too big now. And this little, there's another one hiding right there. You see it? This is her sister with the black spot with the face. She became too big also. Can you see this? This one is their brother. Remember, this is the one I told you I could not have the chance to hold him before. Now I can hold him. But he did not eat much food, so you can see that it's still skinny. This one, remember when I told you that the mother of this and this and this did not accept the white and the gray one, but the mother of this one here, is the mother who accepted this and this. He also a boy. Can you see him? I make friend with him 2 weeks ago. Now he has no problems with me to hold him. This little creature just poops in my floor. Can you see this? I bought for them chicken. You can see, and water. That's all for